Are you ready? Are you ready? Just listen. You only help me when I need help, okay? And don't mess this up, or the lady will never let us do this again. She's trusting me. Okay. Look at, she got all spruced up. I know it's nice. Oh, damn it. Just do the clicker when I tell you do the clicker. Hello, my name is Miss Sassy Pants, and I am doing an unboxing for the lady Lori, and she's on channel number. No channel number. She's on the YouTube channel, Lady Lori Beauty Over 50. Yes, okay, that's her. Okay, got it all out of the way. Oh, she's letting me. I'm going to unbox her BOXYCHARM. This is a box that comes every month. It is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. $26 a month. I don't know. It might be. It could be 28. I don't know. It's something like that. She said that whatever I don't know, she's gonna put it down here on the screen. So okay, so let's do this. I get to do the little ones because that way if I mess it up, I can blame this one and this one for not helping me. This is the box. I've seen her do this before. I got this. I know it's going good, right? Okay, and inside the box is all your stuff, and it's your card. And this card says refresh, and this is for January 2022. And on the back of your card has all the information for all the stuff inside your box. And the total for all of these is we will tell you at the very end of the video, and we're gonna put it up here. Up here. Okay. Okay, my variation is, what's my variation? That's what it is. That's the number. I don't like that number. This needs to change it. It's 005. I don't like that number. It's not right. No. But this is my box. This is Sassy's box. That's me. Okay, so let's get the first thing out of there, and it's the first thing on the list, and it's by, oh, we're gonna need help with these names because I'm not gonna be able to do this by myself. It's Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. This is it right here. This is it. This is good stuff right here. It's $44. I chose this. This was my choice. I chose a lot of things, but this is the one that they gave me. Do you like how she did me up? I was bugging her. And I said, listen, if you're going to get all cleaned up, let me do a box. She gave me 2 of them. And I will know when she edits and uploads whether or not she redid it. I don't know. I won't know. So just hold on. I'm gonna just give me a chance. This is it. I got it. It's a pump. See this? It's a pump. Oh, that's very good. I like this. It's when they're pumps like this, because I do her skincare. I did her skincare when she got out of the shower, and we like this. We like the pumps because that way we don't waste the product. Well, she trusts me with skincare. She does. I do a great job. And prepping her skin. Sorry. Let's get going on this. We don't want the video to be long, or else she won't let me do it again. And then I'm looking for something by the name of Dermalec. Did I tell you this was $44? That's very expensive. It seems very expensive. I hope she didn't pay $44 for it. Okay, so this is a Dermalec. This is what it looks like. It's a Dermalec Revitalize Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. We needed this when we were putting makeup on. We did. We needed this. It's $59. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. Look at this tube. It's nice, huh? It's nice, right? I wonder if it'll still work if we have our makeup on. I don't know. When I need your help, I'll ask you. Don't be sitting there going like this, waving to me, telling me what to do. And when I tell you to click it, you click it. This looks like something that the lady doctor had when we was in the doctor visit. It does. Looks like the tools. Don't say that. Okay. Sorry. It does, but it does, doesn't it? It looks like those tools they had. When she told us we were going horseback riding, we weren't going horseback riding. We went to the lady doctor. That's at $59. It's $59. Okay, and then I'm looking for LUXE Beauty. LUXE Beauty, this is No Limits Matte Bronzer. This is so cool. I like this. I didn't choose this. They just gave it to me. It's in the colors Harmony Medium. Harmony. It's $18. It's not that expensive. It's beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful, right? It's very pretty. Oh, I like this. It's nice. It's got that magnetic. I remember how she does this. That's very pretty. The whole thing up on the top is a mirror. And then I show them I got it. Am I doing good? Am I doing good right now, you guys? Just please say yes. Okay, $18 for this. It's okay, I like this. If we run out, we'll just go get some more. I like that one. Okay, let's go on to the next one. The next one is by Item. Is that correct? It's Item. Okay, it's Item Beauty by Addison Rae. Okay, I still don't know who she is. Don't know. It's a Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Yes! I said it right. It's $14. It's in the color Come Through. I don't want to put anything more on my lips. I didn't. She just put lip liner on me. I told her don't put any lipstick on. I don't like lipstick. Oh, that color's it's horrible. It's just like a melon. But I don't know, you know. Maybe she should give it away. Maybe I'll put it up in her collection over there to give to you guys. Oh, and darn it. She wanted me to let you know that because I wasn't sure and I was goofing around, that the correction, see this right here? It isn't a giveaway. I'm giving it away. It's not a jewelry box. It's not for arts and crafts. On the sides, the little drawers come out, and that's where that other stuff is. Okay, my apologies. Okay, we gotta smell this. I love to smell these things. I just do. Oh my Jesus, it smells like peaches. Oh, let's get church up in here. Oh, you want to smell it? You want to smell it? Smell it. It's nice. Okay, it's quite. Oh my goodness. No, she's not giving this away. We're putting this on our lips. This is lip oil. It better not have any color. I just don't like color. That's $14. That's not bad. Okay, we're on to the last item. Oh, gee, okay. Look at the size of this. This it's huge. It's all messed up. They just like crumbled it in the box. It's a lip job liner, lip pencil sharpener. Okay, it is $18. What color is it? It's a 2.0 cc. What the hell is that? Oh, excuse me. Could be children watching. I don't think so. They should not be up this late at night. There's no children should be up this late at night. They shouldn't. Now you. Oh, don't get me started. She wanted to do a box. I said no. I told the lady no. She said you can do one maybe later. She's gonna give you an Ipsy. Shh, quiet. You don't get to do one either. She wants to see how well I do. Open the damn box. Is that not the biggest lip pencil you've ever seen? Oh my stars. Look at this thing. It's like a ruler. It is. It's like a ruler. But I like that color. Look at that color. It's gorgeous. Yes. Yes, we like it. Do you like it? Oh, just quiet. I just don't need to hear from you unless I need help. Oh, I see her use things when she does these boxes, opening, taking things out. No, we shouldn't do that. Because she's up next. I think she's talking to the hubby. I don't like her in here when it makes me nervous. When I do my Mask Monday, it does, right? It makes us very nervous when she's in here. Because we don't come in here when she's recording. She tells us all up here to just zip it. Just zip it. So we do. $18. There's got to be an eraser? No, a sharpener. Just, I can read. On the bottom, there's your sharpener. It's very cheap. Just really nice one. By Kim and her daughters. It's Cab Cosmet. Oh, that is a nice sharpener. Okay, so that's everything. This the Dragon Beauty. What kind of name is that? I don't know. And then we had the Pharmacy. That was my choice. And then we have the Dermalect. It's to fix the eyes. That is the eyelid and dark circle corrector. And then Liz. This is the bronzer. Item. The lip oil by Addison Rae. We don't know who she is. Oh, that's everything that I got. Do you want to know how much my box is worth? I did not pay this much. I don't hope I paid. I don't think she did. My box is $153. That's how much stuff is in there. It's $153. That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff. Anyway, she said to ask you what you thought about the box. And did you get the same type of box? What did you get? And is it this box, the BOXYCHARM? No? But why? Just, oh, sorry. What did you think about the items in the box? Did you like the items in my box? There you go. Did you like the items that I got? And do you have any questions for me? Please submit them in writing. Address them to P.O. Box. No. Don't send them here. Or where do they send the questions? Leave your questions down below in the comment section. That's it for now. I'm done. I'm going to open the next box. The next box is Miss Lady's. So I will be back in a little bit. How do we say goodbye? I do Mass Mondays, but I don't do this one. Okay, well, anyway. I'm gonna go get the other box. And I'll be back here in a little bit. So I guess we will see you in another video. Yes, the next video. Okay. See ya in the next video. Bye.